Hello viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you covalent bond. Covalent bound, chemical bound. A covalent bond is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electrons to form electrons pairs between atoms. These electron pairs are known as shared pairs or bounding pairs. The stable balance of attractive and repulsive force between atoms when they share electron is known as covalent bond. A covalent bond is a bond where two or more atoms share electron. The sharing of atoms helps complete the outer shell or valency shell of both atoms. For example, oxygen has 6 valence electrons. It can form a covalent bond with two hydrogen atoms, each of which has one valence electron. Bonds are much more common in organic chemistry than ionic bonds. A covalent bond consists of the simultaneous attraction of two nucleus for one or more pairs of electrons. The electron located between the two nucleus are bounded electrons. Covalent bonding occurs when pairs of electrons are shared by atoms. Atoms will covalently bound with other atoms in order to gain more stability, which is gained by forming a full electron shell. By sharing their outermost valency electrons, atom can fill up their outer electron shell and gain stability. The two main types of chemical bonds are ionic and covalent bond. An ionic bond essentially donates an electron to the other atom. Participation in the bond, while electrons in a covalent bond are shared equally between the atoms. Ionic bond usually occurs between metals and non-metal ions. For example, sodium Na, a metal, and chloride Cl, a non metal, from an ionic bond to make NaCl. In a covalent bond, the atoms bound by sharing electron. Covalent bonds usually occur between non-metals. Water H2O, like hydrogen fluoride HF, is a polar covalent molecule. When you look at a diaphragm of water, you can see that the two hydrogen atoms are not evenly distributed around the oxygen atom. Covalent are chemical bond from when electrons are shared between two atoms. Simple molecules contains only a few atoms held together by covalent bond. For example, is carbon dioxide CO2, the molecule of which compound contains molecules of which contains one atom of carbon bonding with the two atoms of oxygen. Ionic bond is a form of chemical connection in which one atom loses valence electron and gain them from another. For both atoms involved, this exchanging results in a more stable noble gaseous electrical state. The attractive electrostatic interaction between two ions of opposite charge from an ionic bond, when things are different at each end, we call them polar. Some molecules have positive and negative ends too, and when they do, we call them polar. If they do not, we call them non-polar. Things that are polar attract and repel each other. Opposite charges attract, alike charges repel. One way to predict the type of bonds that forms between two elements is to compare the electron activity of the elements. In generally, large difference in electron activity result in ionic bonding. I hope guys you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.